Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwaada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. Today, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in the Igbo language and have conversations. Let's look at a conversation between a man and a woman. Kedu aha gị? What is your name? Aha m bụ Chioma. My name is Chioma. Ị bụ onye Igbo? Are you Igbo? Abụ m onye Igbo. Yes, I'm Igbo. Kedu obodo ị si? Which country are you from? Or which hometown are you from? Or which locality are you from? Esi m Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. Kedu ụlọ akwụkwọ ị gara? Which school did you attend? Aghọtaghị m. Ị na-ajụ maka mahadum ka ọ bụ secondary? I don't understand. Are you asking for university or secondary school? Ana m ajụ maka mahadum. I'm asking about your university. Agara m akwụkwọ na mahadum dị na Nigeria, nke aha ya bụ. I attended a university in Nigeria called, you now impute the name of the university. Ị gụchaala? Have you graduated? Agụchaala m afọ abụọ gara aga. Yes, I graduated last 2 years. Obi dị m ụtọ ịmata gị. I'm happy getting to know you. Daalụ. Thank you. Ị ma ede asụsụ Igbo? Can you write Igbo language? Mba, amaghị m ede Igbo. No, I do not know how to write the Igbo language. Achọkwara m ịgwa gị na mụ chọrọ ịlụ gị. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I also want to tell you that I want to marry you. I love you. Anụrụ m ihe niile i kwuru, mana ka m jee chee maka ya. I have heard what you said, but let me go and think about it. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị. That's good. Later then. Note that words like obodo used in this context can also mean locality or state, depending on the context it's being used in. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on introducing ourselves in the Igbo language and having conversations. See you in the next episode, where we'll be talking about family members and name they are called or referred to as in Igbo language. Cordin, see you again.